everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video I will be showing you how to add friends on Duolingo. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you want and on the search URL, type in duolingo.com. That will take you to the official page of Duolingo, and if necessary, log into your account. Here I have already logged into my account. Now in order to add friends, first of all, go to your profile by clicking on this profile from the left hand side of this interface. That will take you to your profile page. Now in order to add friends, on the same interface at the right hand side, you will see add friends box. You can simply add friends by clicking on this find friends through their username or name. Or you can also invite friends or connect to Facebook as well. If you click on find friends, here you have to enter their name or username and simply add them. Other way to connect are invite friends. You can simply invite your friends or connect to Facebook as well. So these are all the ways you can add friends on Duolingo. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.